Yes, and my Arisa, Susu, my Arisa. Hey, fast up. And my Arisa, Susu, my Arisa. Champions don't sleep.
Yes, never, never, never.
Baby, dear, cigarette. Baby, dear, I walk it up. We don't hear what you mind. Stay on the hands, it's our share.
You're still watching Lifestyle TV, and we're right inside here, Akwaboah village supporting Asantewaa. In fact, it's 5 days and still counting, and you know the massive love and support we're giving her is super amazing. Right here with us is one of our very own, our favorite, one of our great musicians here in Ghana, who is also doing well and selling Ghana across the diaspora. And he's in the person of Akwaboah to the whole world. Yeah. And I love what you're wearing. This means victory, right?
Of course, that's why I came.
Of course. And who should I pay that way? And a white color there.
White. And if I just a white ninja, say a victory. If I say we're very ninja.
It's Akwaboah. What says this to a person? Yes, I did. What were some of the questions and the thought that came to mind?
Say even my Ghana Sada. I think it's the very first time, and then for somebody to come out and say, "Obey me, Sana." In the beginning, I was like, "Hey, are you sure?" But definitely, you think about it, but then seeing what she's done for the past 5 days, it is a clear indication. Say, whatever you set your mind to, you can definitely achieve. And I'm proud of her. I'm so proud of her.
That's amazing. But what do you think that Ghanaians and the youth here should take away from this?
I think this, if anybody is watching, this is a clear example and a proof that whatever you set your mind to, you can actually do it. This is her telling the world that I'm from Ghana and I can get it done. So from the youth, if you set your mind to something, I'm sure we can do a best.
Right. You are a musician, in fact, a great musician at that. And then you're looking at her going 5 days, night and day, singing the type of song she's doing. Do you think that it is helping and that is what is keeping her going?
I think so, because she's doing everything her life, everything Afrobeat, Ghanaian songs. Singing for 2 hours is even not a joke. So for her to even try for like days, that's a huge thing, and I really applaud her for that. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. Now we're going forward, and then we know that definitely she would have to go on to tomorrow to be able to break that record. Already she's supposed to break a record of 105 hours. Now, is it possible to do this?
It's possible. It's possible. It's any I'm getting by in the
Same to the whole world. Then, do you now believe in those words or others that we say that what men can do, women can do better?
Oh, of course. Of course. I don't just say, "Nobody is too." I'm not. I don't know what but certainly, I only want to say. But certainly, what men can do, definitely, women. You give a woman something, she's going to multiply it. So I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Big up to all
right.
women. God bless.
What are you telling Asantewaa with this?
I want to say God bless her for putting Ghana on the map, thinking about doing something like this and achieving it. I'm really proud of her. And God, she should keep on doing it. God bless her.
Oh, that's right.
We love her. Yes.
You're an artist, the type of songs. She decided to do just Ghana songs.
Yes.
Do you agree and do you?
I totally agree. I mean, we just say, yeah, dear. What was Nigerian people?
I know.
And so, yeah, the Yankee, the ever supporting. Can you bad? But us doing us, the kind of song she's doing, I'm happy. Highlight, that's it.
Highlights the whole reaction. Yeah. Please tell your fans something. It's Christmas. What message would you leave for her?
I'm a cousin. Yes, no, would you? And you need to celebrate if you are driving, drive safe. Anywhere you're going, please be careful. We need you alive for 2024. God bless you.
But if you are supposed to break, a record or set one, what would it be?
I'm supposed to break
a record or set a new record. What would it be?
asking for the same thing.
You for yourself for Ghana, putting Ghana across. So what can you do to set a record? On the end of the Singathon, hold your bed.
That's what we have been doing this.
So bad Singathon, and I rap at all.
Hey.
And I sleep at all.
Sleeps in your bag.
What's at all? So can bear from your shot, yes,
oh, and you're one in a bit, man.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and please enjoy your evening.
Oh, sure, you too. But you guys have done well. You've done so well.
Oh, thank you.
The way you're here, I see from the TV stations to everybody. I've been today. My one of you, my hair, making just a media. So God bless you guys.
Why are you now? I said thank you so much. Right. So what's up for you? So yeah. So that beautiful Akuapem Poloo to the whole one. Independent. What's your secret?
Oh, my secret. My secret is the strength of Afua. My secret is the strength of Afua Asantewaa.
Right.
Yes.
The whole world.
Yes.
Now tell us, this is the second time, another third time.
Yes.
Wow. You have done so well.
Sister.
But what is pushing you so much to, support this cause?
The energy she's holding on to stand on her feet, to sing. Today, this is the sixth day. Fifth day.
Yes.
And she's still on it. I think it's 12.
Yes. So it's 5:12 begins it. So it's 5 now. Now looking at the tenacity, looking at the energy and everything, you think that we will be able to go on to Friday night?
It's not we'll be able. We've already done it.
I like the confidence that you have.
She's still standing.
Exactly.
Someone
and she's still
will be
dancing.
standing.
Yeah.
If they ask you to be on your feet just 5 hours a day,
I shall not do.
And 5 days, no sleep. Me, I won't do.
Right. Okay, now tell Ghanaians and people in across the diaspora, because there are lots of them watching us from all over. How is this going to help unite Africa and Ghanaians?
I used to hear that they said Ghanaians, we don't support our own. And with this, let's forget about my court issue.
Okay.
They supported you.
That's right.
But this, you see all the people that came here. Then we support our own. We understand industry. We understand showbiz.
That's right. And we support ourselves.
The whole world love Ghana because I'm seeing it. So what I'm saying is, if you are not here, wherever you are, please come. Come and support Afua, because Afua needs your support so that it will strengthen her, keep her on her feet. Yes, when she sees us standing, it gives her more morale.
Morale.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you are not here, come.
Right.
And it's fun.
Exactly.
It's fun.
We are having fun.
We are all dancing. She's singing for us to dance.
Yeah. I did. Yeah. You've done it. Oh, that's it. But we're saying that Nigerians are not supporting us. Do you think that because we didn't do Nigerian songs, that is why they are not supporting?
When Hilda was cooking, did she cook Ghanaian food? But so we supported them.
Great.
Whilst we didn't know what she was cooking. So if they are not supporting us, I don't know. But Nigeria and Ghana, we are like brothers and sisters.
That's right.
We have always been there.
Right.
So I was expecting them to support us. Because even Hilda, we even invited her to come.
Ghana. And so with the media. That's right.
So they should support us.
The final message, Christmas is here and 2024 is also here. What message would you give to us?
All that I would say is we are still in 2023. Few days to 2024. Inshallah, we should be focused, stay safe, and trust in Allah or God. Whatever you want to do it with determination. So for us, it's a good thing. I love you guys. Keep on supporting me.
Okay, Nsabusia, na ye kasia ne team members ni bi ebe twetwe nkomo na ye hune ye koso. Madam, ye be mo Akwaboah Ghana News TV so. Ye bisa se 5 days ye nua ba no watwa. So what is next? Then I hear ni.
I'm even speechless. We are going more hours because we are breaking it and setting extra record. You get it? Yeah.
And to say 105 no na we breaking.
Sorry?
To say 105 hours no na we breaking.
Yes, please.
And to say 1 minute scratch, that is the record she has set.
So it's counting. 1 minute count, it's counting. Yeah, and we are going. We are not ending now. But the energy is still there. You get it? Yeah.
And see, now metiasia ya ene ye drop it and I ye twaswa.
Now your feet say you drop it, but energy number. So we are moving forward. We are moving forward. Yeah, twaswa.
Yeah, that's na yenuano ye hwese sesia no owini na wa nidia beda record no so no a edien na ewo mu.
If you can see the cloud here, even if you are here, this is enough, okay? Even if there is no any payment, this alone is enough. Trust me.
And are you overwhelmed? Are you surprised? I'm
not surprised, not a bit. I am not a bit surprised because I'm the one who made all her dresses circulating. It's already not sharing in our way. Yeah, but billboard next to Africa clothing, and she told me that I even told her to go 3 days. Or catch me say, to me go 3 days, sir. Or become more than that. And trust me, I am here to witness that. I am very overwhelmed. Trust me.
Share support when ya or manfua abegu dear na waka found.
What say?
Share support when ya or manfua abaha dear na waka found. 12 na boy, I am actually a woman, but still before.
When should I say Ghana for ya wa doyampa? Maybe an opportunity beyond by my own share door, but wait, let's Ghana for it's a Christmas festive. But everybody is here. You see, Ghana for your joy. God bless you all.
In fact, me share a new one all 2 years. Sell so pa my day. Say you can say breaking record be a record ben sa na ka be say obey ya breaking.
And I may pama go see say next Christmas baba.
Yeah, that's the number 2. A fine baby we would you man because I'm giving you this opportunity what near yeah you bay. Oh what is saying your friend was saying even phone number or what to Jamai.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Afri Clothing. You were dummy to Christian Village, Quine, so opposite Ramaland Hotel. All the dresses circulating. I knew her from 2021. I've been sewing for her till now. You see, if you go through her pages, you can see some crowd tagging me. Afri Clothing. Afri, the clothing starts with K. KLOCHENZ. Afri Clothing. 0245899686. Thank you so much. 0245899686. We do men and female wears. We do men and female wear, trust me. Thank you. Thank you.
Enti ye ne designer e na atwetwe nkomo a all try and say in fact ye nua ba no o ka say 3 days no so otimi twa sa 3 days ne kwa dia then definitely she is going on and yeah she is going more and we prove say yes she is going more on shem say after completing 5 days no pepepe no ani kumo ede oni nyina ate afina ni so se se are de record no e na all set no we are here waiting and then watching. Near me free have baby arabsia. Better you see the Sunni within and that's if I go. There are too many. Abusia Hajia Bintu.
That's what they are. Like a Tommy TV, that's what I'm saying. That's what TV over there. Oh, Tom, that's what they are.
Abusia Abrante we Obeka Enoa. He's trending on social media. Niema ne ata woye esro kono se ebibia no oye ata na odi asa. Na odi asa. Eno ne ma ne art esro kono. And wabaha ebe support yenua Afua Asantewaa eno nti obo adwuma and when you send was sketchy BBF baby no de ba adea eha e no be bibia eha e na obeye bibia
I want to do this one.
So you go so ewo eye Afua Singathon Afua Asantewaa ne Singathon na oye no eho ene egu so ewe na unse edom no aboje nko na omugu so chie ne but I can say breaker sisia okono happens to be the longest break me feel say wako unse abusuafo no any paramedics any wonwa eboa no ama wabo adwuma ni nyina no ade a omo nyina eguso a ehhehhe screen echi ho as to say a day na ekoso ho no de whether she's stopping or she's continuing we are yet to know. We say as a judges no e be sorry omo up and down but what is the news? What are they going to tell us? Nikun echo up and down with the check. Ocean so 4 days, 22 hours, and then 42 minutes. And now, yetra. Ebusua ewaha. Yebefu watono. Ghana News TV. Yemfa and kame mwati yenina. Sanso ena mesro se abiexpress.com and also yasinti bomodia ne log on to abiexpress.com. Na eto Ghana nyema nyina ope ewo abusua.
Can we get reactions from what a conversation something?
Say, the more Akwaboah abiexpress.com. abiexpress.com de minia ya de mo adwatofo ne abanyina ne Akwaboah no ne de abeku abiexpress.com e na wo bi free Ghana ana Africa empaboa na satade kente papa bi na wo pe na wo de adada wo ho party ase ana bibia wo hwe bia bra abiexpress.com ya de Akwaboah ne amanu o ya de bre wo kwa abiexpress.com ya de mu ahwene e na wo hwehwe wo Europe abrochire ana wo America Australia no ho ana wo ana da se Asia na wotie da bia wo bia ensuro kura e no ne se wo abiexpress.com na de wo hwehwe no wo sabeka abiexpress.com we de mo abiexpress.com we de papa abiexpress.com ya de Ghana e 2 abrochire ho